Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but works like a team. Not one brain, but many, each handling a specific task, faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. This isn't some distant future, this is Nemotron 3 Nano. Nvidia didn't just build another large language model here. They made a strategic move. Instead of going bigger, they went smarter. Nemotron 3 Nano uses a mixture of experts architecture, meaning it doesn't activate the entire model for every request. It selectively uses only the parts it needs, like calling in the right specialist at the right time. You get performance that competes with much larger models, but a fraction of the cost. We are talking about a model that can handle coding, reasoning, document analysis, and even multi-agent workflows. And here is where it gets really interesting. This model isn't built just for chatting. It's built for systems. AI agents that collaborate, automation that thinks, pipeline that doesn't just respond, they execute. In a world where AI getting bigger and more expensive, Nemotron 3 Nano is going in the opposite direction. Smaller, faster, smarter. So in this video we are going to test it, push it, and see one thing. Can a nano model actually deliver real-world performance? For testing I'm going to use LM Studio because it's the easiest way. And first we are going to test multi-step reasoning. You are an AI designer. Break down how you will build a multi-agent system for an e-commerce business that handles customer support, order tracking and refunds. Assign clear roles to each agent and explain how they communicate. Absolutely awesome. Almost 5,000 tokens answer. Check this out. Honestly, I got more details than I expected. And now let us check how it performs with coding. Write a Python script that monitors a folder for new PDF files, extract text from them, summarize the content, and save the summary into a new file. Then explain how each part of the script works, in no more than 200 words. Alright. Coding test was successful. Let's see about decision making. Compare running an AI SWAS using a large model like GPT-4 versus a smaller optimized model like Nemotron 3 Nano. Include cost, scalability, latency and profitability. Then recommend which approach is better for startup with limited budget. And all of that in less than 500 words. This looks totally fine. And now, the final test. Let's see how it does agent simulation. Now simulate a system with 3 AI agents, 1 planner, 1 executor and 1 reviewer. Solve the following tasks step by step. Create a business plan for GPU rental service. Show how each agent contributes. And all of that in less than 500 words. Honestly, I'm quite satisfied with this answer, but I believe that it has more than 500 words. No, 460 words. Well done. So guys, definitely thumbs up for this model. Most likely this is the best model I saw in last 2 months, and I would gladly continue using it. So please like, subscribe and see ya!